All right, guys, welcome back to another episode of this trading review that I'm going to be doing every single week for you. And the last one that I posted on YouTube got a comment from Brad Richards, which he's saying, "Thank you for that, mate. No worries. I would love to see an extension of this given where it moved down last week. Okay. And I would love seeing what you have to say about Euro USD and the USDCHF and the concept of correlation." Okay, so let's talk about those things. The good thing about, having a small channel is that I can actually pay attention to every single comment that you guys make and actually can work on whatever you guys ask me to do. So I just told him that I was very busy. The market has been very crazy the last few days, and I haven't had much time to record and post anything, but yeah, let's have a look on Euro USD, USDCHF, and the concept of correlation. So my view on Euro USD. My view on Euro USD is quite neutral right now, because again, like if you pay attention to what the market is doing here on the weekly, is just inside of a range, right? And we are just in the middle of the range. Whenever the market's in the middle of a range, there's not much to do, not much to say. Obviously, the best levels on this chart is this one and this one right now, and this is just a range, so it can go any side. You can see how choppy it is. So it comes, breaks this low, go back above, false break there, goes back below, then comes back to the low, and then moves there, false break, pulls back, and then fakey here, go up again, but then now it's false breaking. So it's very messy in the middle. It's very hard to trade. So right now, nothing to say here. USDCHF. Let's have a look on USDCHF. USDCHF, it's moving a little bit more. It's getting close to this level here. And we've got those two levels right there. If you zoom out a little bit, there is a bigger level in there, which was 0.7. And this one, that's basically the same level. So this area here, it's quite important. Okay, so I think if the market goes back into the area, we could see some sort of reaction. Given, as he said, if it is extended, there is a higher chance that the market will mean revert. Okay, so we already know that. We already know the mean reversion concept. So when the market extends to one side, it mean reverts to the other. When they extend to the upside, it mean reverts back down. And it's just up and down, creating these sort of waves, right? It moves up, mean revert back down. It moves down, mean revert back up. It moves up, mean revert back down. It's moving down, most likely mean revert back up. So I would say this is probably the most likely scenario that's going to happen with USDCHF and Euro USD. And now I would say I would go to the 15-minute chart, and I would just place an alert close to that level, and I would wait for some sort of reaction. Okay, this price action here was perfect, was sort of double bottom, false break the low, and gave you a really nice bullish pin bar here. Okay, so this is the sort of price action that I want. I want to see a bullish pin bar, a false break, a double bottom, but at my level. Not here, not away from my level. Okay, so nothing to do here right now at this moment. And the concept of correlation is, okay, how do I use correlation? I posted that before. And for example, if you do any sort of trades on USD pair, you can go to DXY index, which is the dollar index. It's the dollar currency against a basket of other currencies. And then you can use this chart to trade, for example, USDCHF. So you want to go long on USDCHF. Okay, so USDCHF needs to go down a little bit more and bounce from a level at the lows. So what you want to do, you want to buy dollars. So if you want to buy dollar, you need this chart also to be looking strong or to be at support. So let's say you have this sort of level, this level. We've got, what else? We've got this one. This one's a little bit above already. So what do you want to do? If USDCHF, it's at L level, and the DXY is here, in this area of support, because again, resistance, resistance, we break, became support, we break down again, became the resistance here, you know, a little bit messy, but you can see it was resistance. We break, became support, support. So what do you think is going to happen when the market comes back down here? Most likely, we'll have a reaction, okay? And we'll act as a support. So knowing that, and knowing that USDJPY is also coming into a level, what you want to see is DXY at support and USDJPY at support? If yes, perfect, okay? In the case of Euro USD, you want to see the opposite, because now you have Euro in front of the USD. So now, if you buy Euro USD, you are buying Euros against the dollar, okay? So if you short Euro USD, you are long the dollar. So the same thing. If you want to short Euro USD, you want to see this chart at support. So you want to see this chart coming down here and then bounce from the support. And Euro USD, you probably want to see this coming into, for example, this level of resistance and then bounce from it, from the level of resistance. Okay, so there it is. I think there was a trade. Let me have a look which pair it was. I found it. New Zealand JPY. So again, JPY is moving a lot with the news. The Japanese economy is not doing very well. The yen that needs to the raise interest rates there. So yeah, things are going nuts. So you see moves like that, okay? And then look at this. Look at this level. Look at this level on the weekly, okay? You can see this level here act as a support before. Massive level of support and resistance, guys. And then what happened? We have a liquidation event, because that's what we say in crypto, right? This is literally like a liquidation, a margin call. People are getting liquidated, are going to get stopped out. And what it happens? It comes to this beautiful weekly level, very, very extended, very, very extended, and then gives you the nice mother bar inside bar. So this is the mother bar, this is the inside bar, and you could easily, by the break of the inside bar, put your stop below the mother bar or below the inside bar. It depends how aggressive you want to be. I'm more conservative, so I would put below the mother bar, and then you can target your 2-to-1. You know, it didn't hit the 3-to-1, just missed the 3-to-1, but you know, it bounced from it and looks like it's gonna probably could keep going. If you go to the daily chart here, let's see. I think this is definitely where I would get out. Look, resistance, 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 too many times resistance, then support, right? Support. So definitely I would get out there, which is around 86.7. Okay, so if you go back to a 15-minute chart, this would be my target, which is around 2-to-1. Okay, so beautiful trade, very, very high probability trade, and with the 2-to-1 risk reward, it's you know, nearly free money sort of strategy. So back tested. Remember to back test. Remember to be good at finding those levels. Remember at being good at finding the extension. It's very similar to the trade I explained before with USDJPY on my previous video. So on this video, I explained USDJPY. It gave like 300 pips. And then, you know, this week the market repeated itself and moved. How many pips is this? How many pips is this? Yeah, another 300 pips move, you know. Amazing. So again, that's it for me today. Again, I'm going to keep these videos very short, and I'll try to pass as much information as I can to you guys. And send me a comment, like, subscribe. Let me know how I can improve those videos. Let me know what you want to know, and let me know how I can help you, because I think there are too many fake traders on the internet teaching wrong things, and I'm here to change that. Okay. Peace out.